So, I've been watching a lot of Gary Vaynerchuk's videos in the last few days, and there's a concept that really stood out to me. The concept of underpriced attention. He often talks about the old days in AdWords where you could get like clicks for something like 13 cents or something, and now it's like a dollar over for almost every keyword, and some keywords almost like I've heard people pay like $80 for some keywords. It's becoming very ridiculous. And this is because that these platforms are really suffering from an overuse and an oversaturation of advertisers. Now, the really good news about this is that other platforms that are very good for attention, such as Twitter and Bing, are really cost a lot less to advertise on. Now, you might be thinking, but man, not all people are on Bing, not all people are on Twitter. Yeah. But however, not all people are necessarily going to be interested in your product anyway. So if no one is advertising on Bing, who cares if like only 20% of Bing's there are like 20% as many people on Bing as on Google? Who cares? Because you're not going to hit everyone on Google anyway. So if you can get every click on Bing like for a fraction of the cost, this is actually very good for you. Now, this is something that's been on the back of my mind for a long time, and when I started watching this course, Beginner Affiliate Marketing 2019 by Alex Genadinik, these thought really resurfaced in my mind. The guy really makes a good case for why you should use Twitter ads and how you can get very inexpensive traffic for your website. And really, I think this is a gem. This course is very, this course overall I'd say is very simple, it's very beginner friendly. However, I've been really surprised about how many very good tips, very good insights, such as using Twitter ads for their very low cost, that you find in this course. Now this course, when I first watched it, I didn't have very much of a favorable opinion, I'd say, because the looks of it, the video, audio quality, the production values of the visuals, you know, they are using just PowerPoint slides, which are very simple and straightforward and not very well designed, let's say. Really gave me a feeling that this course wasn't worth it, and also the fact that it was very beginner friendly and beginner focused meant that I had to watch a lot of it without learning a lot. However, I'd say that this course really surprised me in how many very good tips and that I didn't really expect, and strategies that I had not heard of. Now, this course, you'll also notice, however, that it tends to go wide and not narrow. This means that you'll learn about a lot of strategies and a lot of tools you can use. However, this course only does an introduction to each of them. So you won't learn A to Z how to do landing pages with email funnels and all that shit. No, this course will teach you all the strategies you could use and tips to start in affiliate marketing. However, it will not tell you how to do A to Z something very well. So in a sense, it's pretty much the opposite of something you'd find on Adversity from Sean Bagari. However, I wouldn't say this course is better than Adversity's course by Sean Bagari. However, I would say that since it's 10x cheaper, it's definitely worth a look. So, quick intervention. I forgot to say this, but I think this is really worth mentioning. Now, when you ask questions to this guy, the guy fucking responds. He responds quick, and he responds with very good shit. So, if you need guidance, or if you're unsure about something, really, by all means, dude, ask him. If you need guidance on your project, if you're not unsure about something, ask him. The guy fucking responds, he responds well, he responds quick. Really, for this, I thank you, Alex Genadinik. Really, thank you for your time, thank you for your good answers. Really, props on you for that. Now, with that said, back to the video. You won't become a professional affiliate marketer only with this course. However, this will give you a good insight, and if you're a beginner, I think it's worth looking at least, so that you know pretty much all that there is, or most of what you can find in the affiliate marketing world, so that you know how to specialize after watching this course. It's like starting programming. If I don't know about the various programming languages before I start learning one, well, maybe I'll start learning one and notice that this is not the one I should have learned in the end. And by knowing everything that is in the world of affiliate marketing, or at least most of it, you'll know, you'll have a very much better idea on how to specialize and what is very good for you and your particular project. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm going to be making a video very soon that explains it, so stay tuned. With that said, thank you for watching. If you have courses you want us to review or questions, be my guest, write them in the comments. I'll be very pleased to take a look. With that said, more content like this coming soon, course reviews and tips on learning online and affiliate marketing. If that interests you, don't forget to subscribe. With that said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon.